Hello, I'm Noah, and this is Like You, a mindfulness podcast for kids. Today, we're keeping things simple. We'll explore different ways of breathing. Whether you're holding your breath with nervous anticipation, or whether you're ready to relax with a sigh of relief, your breath can be like a window into how you're feeling. And learning how to use your breath can put you in control of those feelings, even when things in the world feel out of your control. But first, a quick word for the grownups. Like You is listener-supported, so if you'd like to help us continue making new episodes, please join us at patreon.com/likeyoupodcast. We also appreciate it when you help others find our show by telling your friends or writing a review on Apple Podcasts. Now, we're ready to start the podcast, so find a place to listen where you feel comfortable and safe. I invite everyone listening to be a part of this podcast, and that means you. You can use your imagination, share your thoughts, and speak up when I ask any questions. Of course, if you'd rather just think things quietly in your head, that's okay too. Let's kick things off with just one big, deep breath. Breathe in as deep as you can, and then just let it all out. We all need to stop and take a breath sometimes. Now let's clear our minds and focus on this moment. What is happening right now? I'm here in my home, talking into a microphone to record this podcast. And you are listening to my voice and some nice music. Where are you listening from? Are you at home? Riding in a car? Sitting outside? Are you listening through a speaker or with headphones? Are you listening alone or are you with someone else? Where are you in the world? We're all on this planet called Earth, but you and I are spread out on different continents and in different countries and cities all over the globe. We're living separate lives, but we've all come together right now to listen to this podcast. Isn't that amazing? Take just a moment to sit quietly and think about all those questions. Where are you and what are you doing right this moment? Now, when I count to 3, we'll all say, I like me. 1, 2, 3. I like me. I like you too. Out of every person in the world, there is no one else exactly like you. We all smile, but no one else has the same smile as you. We all cry, but no one else cries the same tears as you. We all laugh, but no one else has the same laugh as you. There is no one else like you, and yet there are many, many people who know you, who understand you, and who love you. As I said a few moments ago, today we'll focus on breathing. There are lots of different kinds of breath. You might remember exercises we've done on other episodes where we've used our breath to blow away clouds, or cool off hot chocolate, or make funny noises, or blow out a candle, or sometimes we just take slow, deep breaths. Do you have a favorite way of breathing? Right now I'm going to let you all pick your own way to take a breath. It could be one of the breathing exercises from this podcast, or just however you feel like breathing right now. Take a moment to breathe in and out in whatever way you choose. You may have wondered why we always practice breathing on this podcast. The reason is that it's a great way for you to talk with your body and let it know how things are going. Do you ever feel worried or anxious or scared? All of us feel those ways sometimes. And those feelings come from a small part of your brain that just wants to protect you from anything dangerous. Sometimes it does this by filling your thoughts with worries and fears to make sure you stay far away from things that could hurt you. And when that happens, your body might respond by feeling tense and tight, like you can't relax. You might feel sweaty, or you might feel like your heart is beating fast. And your breath might be fast and shallow. It's like your brain is telling your body, get ready in case you need to run. These are natural reactions we all have, and as I said, they come from a part of the brain that wants to protect us. It's a very important and useful part of your brain. But sometimes it has a little trouble knowing whether those worries and fears are real or pretend. It might tell your body to feel tense, even when there's nothing scary or dangerous happening. So it's your job to tell that part of your brain when everything is okay, so it can stop feeling scared. One of the quickest ways to do that is by taking deep breaths. Those deep breaths tell your body and your brain that everything is okay, that you are safe, and that you can relax now. It takes some practice, but when you get really good at taking deep breaths, you'll be really good at convincing your brain to be calm and your body to relax. Let's practice now. Start by tightening up every part of your body. Make a fist with your hand, scrunch up your face, and flex all your muscles. Now take a deep breath in, and as you do, relax every part of your body. Now let that long breath out, and as you do, see if you can relax even more. With each breath in and out, try to relax more and more until you feel like mush sinking into your chair. Deep breath in. Relax, relax. Deep breath out. Relax, relax. Sometimes when you're waiting for something to happen, or if you're feeling nervous about what might happen, you may hold your breath. And once that thing finally comes and goes, you might feel relieved. Try taking a deep breath now and holding it in. After holding it in for a few seconds, let out a sigh of relief. Try that once more. Take a deep breath and hold it in. Wait for just a moment. Then sigh with relief. Next time you feel that nervous anticipation when you're waiting for something, instead of holding your breath, try long, deep breaths. You can even say or think something as you breathe in and out. Try this. As you breathe in, think or say, I'm waiting. And as you breathe out, think or say, I'm hoping. Let's do that a few times in and out. I'm waiting. I'm hoping. I'm waiting. I'm hoping. I'm waiting. I'm hoping. Now, as we listen to this song, I want you to check in with yourself about how you're feeling. Notice if your body feels tense or tight, and remind it to loosen up by taking long, deep breaths. check things out. My head is loose, my shoulders too, my neck and my tummy know just what to do. My arms and legs are letting go, relaxing from my head down to my toes. I breathe in, I breathe out, I wander head to toe, and I check things out. Now it's time for affirmations. It just so happens that affirmations are another great way to tell your brain that everything is okay. I wanted to let several of my friends join in, so you'll hear the voices of my friends, Maya, Esso, and Meg, as well as my voice. We'll say each affirmation twice, so listen the first time and repeat it with us the second time. I am safe and relaxed. I am safe and relaxed.
With every breath, I feel stronger. With every breath, I feel stronger.
There is only one me. There is only one me.
I am beautiful inside and out. I am beautiful inside and out.
I am in control of my feelings. I am in control of my feelings.
All of my problems have solutions. All of my problems have solutions.
I am good at so many things. I am good at so many things.
My positive thoughts create positive feelings. My positive thoughts create positive feelings.
Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. Now let's smile and take a few slow, deep breaths as we wind down our time together. I can't wait to spend some time together again soon. Until next time, I like you, I'm proud of you, and I'm glad we are friends. Have a happy and peaceful day. Like You is written and produced by me, Noah Glenn. I also composed and performed the Like You theme music and the original song Head to Toe. Additional music for this episode came from Rowan Hudson's Passing Ships and I Make Mad Beats. The podcast cover art was illustrated by Maya Sane, and our episode art is created by Lindsay Glenn. Today's affirmations came from me, Esso Tolson, Maya Sane, and Meg Lewis. To all the grownups listening, please consider supporting this podcast by visiting patreon.com/likeyoupodcast. You can join our Patreon group to contribute to the show and make more episodes possible. If you're unable to offer financial support, you can still show us some love by leaving a review on Apple Podcasts and by telling your friends about the show. You can find show notes on our website, likeyoupodcast.com, and you can also send us voice memos, drawings, and pictures by emailing likeyoupod@gmail.com. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at likeyoupod. Thanks for listening.